So typically I walk into a house and it's drywalled and taped. So my job is to insulate the attic so that the mutters can do their job. This week's Friday video, for those that are returning subscribers, thank you very much. You guys are the reason why this channel is growing, and so I really appreciate the support. For those that are new to this channel, welcome. This video will show you a walkthrough of a typical 1200 square foot bungalow. I start my attic insulation, so I use a 4-inch hose, but I start anyway right at the far end corner from the attic hatch and work my way back towards the attic hatch. That's always the strategy that I have, so that you're not walking on your work. So once you're finished on the corners and some of the perimeters, then you can install the loose fill between the trusses like you can see here, and this way you can compare the height of the insulation between each 2x4 that's adjacent to each other, so you have a nice smooth finish on the insulation. I always adopt a low profile so that I can see how level my insulation is. Here I'm measuring right at the perimeter on the border there. Those are the blowing stoppers, so that the blowing doesn't get into the soffit when the soffit is in. And so I measure at 22 inches height on that stopper. So the loose fill insulation has to be flush with that OSB board. And I'm continuing on with my working back. Working on the other corner. Here I show you some of the hazards that I run into in each attic. Here, for example, are 2 nails that stuck up, and so you always have to watch for those and bend those in so that you don't catch yourself. I wear safety boots so that no nails can go right through and into my foot, as well as acrylic coated gloves that have puncture resistance. I find those are super helpful. Here is the finished product. So hopefully you like this video, this quick little walkthrough, and if you want a little bit more details, you can definitely check out my other video on 5 tips that I have about do-it-yourself blown attic insulation. If you haven't yet, please click on that awesome thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any further attic insulation walkthroughs and attic insulation tips. Alright, so I will see you next Tuesday.